What's up, chameleons? Welcome back to my channel. It's Kiera, or the Beauty Kameleon, whichever you prefer. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So, as you can see, my hair is all crazy because today I'm going to try to do a frontal and I'm a little nervous. So the hair I'm going to be using today is by the Janet collection. It's a Brazilian bundle pack, nice little pack. It doesn't look pre-plucked, so I'm gonna have to pluck it. Here's the frontal. Pray for me, guys. I hope this comes out right. So I'm gonna go braid my hair. Okay, so I'm back. My hair's all braided up. Don't mind my braids. They're not the best looking braids, but they will do. So the first step from me watching many videos on YouTube is to take the frontal and like measure it on my head and cut off the extra lace. Now I have a mirror over here, so if I'm not looking at y'all, I'm looking at my mirror. I'm feeling like I don't need to cut any off because I don't know if you guys can see, that's the end of it. That's my head. So if I put that down right there, and then this other end, it's pretty much reaching. So I don't know if I got a big head or what. I thought I had a small head, so I was expecting to cut a whole bunch off. So I think I'm gonna just leave it as is and hope for the best. I have the Make Your Own Wig Dome Cap. It's the nude color. I didn't even introduce y'all to Kyle. This is Kyle. He is one of many mannequins I got when I was enrolled in Empire Beauty School.
Hi, Kyle.
It's not a normal frontal. My cat is acting crazy, y'all. It's more so like a closure. You know how closures are like, you know, box shaped. They're like that big. This is like a box shape, but then it has like the little sides. So the YouTube videos I watched did not show me how to work with this type of frontal. I don't know what I'm doing. So my cat is real life acting crazy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sew the frontal on in this weird way because it's a weird frontal. I'm gonna sew it like that, and then I'm gonna try it on my head to see if it fits or whatever, and then I'm going to sew the rest of these bundles on. I also got blonde thread, better than, you know, black thread. So all right, you ready, sis? I know y'all see my cat in this chair. Cairo. I wish I could put his ass to work. I don't know, like stitch some thread or something. Alright, so now I'm going to sew my bundles onto my wig. I'm gonna start with the longest one, the 16 in the back. Then I'll do the 14 and then I'll do the 12. Okay, so got the first bundle on. Looking pretty good. Okay. Wig's done. Well, it's constructed. Okay, now I'm going to try to customize my hairline. Again, this is my first time. I'm gonna keep saying it throughout this video because I don't really know what I'm doing. I watched a few videos and the ladies that I watched all suggested not dropping your tweezers, but all suggested I use water in the plucking process. So taking my T-pins and just kind of like pulling it as tight as possible down. One of them specifically said pluck around the hairline, avoid the front of the hairline. Look, y'all, wish me luck because I'm plucking and I don't even know what to pluck. Like, I guess you just thin it out. Alright, so
Kind of